My name is Michael Landis and I'm from the United States, born in New York and have relocated here from Florida. Quite a few things. So when I knew I was going to be transitioning to Medellín, I knew I would have legal needs and I would also have accounting needs. And to be referred to a firm that offers both legal and accounting under one roof was ideal for me. Initially I wanted to find a place to live, so I'm going to need help with a closing. So I've since purchased an apartment, and Nexo Legal did an excellent job of helping me through everything that was involved with the closing, which was quite a bit different from the United States, having to move funds here and have everything certified, but the communication was excellent. Once that was complete, we started working on my investment visa, and that took a little longer than expected. Got down to the wire, but certainly nothing that Nexo could do. It seems that immigration handles them at the last minute, when they realize that the applicant has no more time left, right? But overall, all the documents I provided, the communication again internally with everything I needed to do worked out well, and I got my visa. So I'm very happy about that. And the last thing I'm interested in doing is setting up a company here in Medellín, something that could maybe be for real estate holdings. I was a little bit overwhelmed, and I think if you remember, my introduction to Nexo is from Medellín Masterclass. Good people tend to know other good people, and so, in the USA, we don't have the yellow pages anymore, but you're not gonna go in the phone book and just pick a company, right? You want a referral from somebody that has had a good experience, right? So I chose to take that referral, and I scheduled a meeting when I was here visiting last year before I moved here, and got to meet with the Nexo legal team to answer my questions. The fact that many of the people here speak English was a huge help to me. It made me feel much more comfortable that I'm not misinterpreting things and I'm understanding everything very clearly, because it's so different than what I'm accustomed to. Well, I think it made things much more smoother. It increased my confidence that things were going to work out properly, that I wasn't going to waste time, money, make mistakes that make me have to start over, a misstep that could get me in trouble because I didn't know what I didn't know. So having a team that understands how to do business in Colombia and can speak English was a huge help to me. And I never had a problem from beginning to end. I may have questions, but whenever I reached out, I received a timely response. My questions were answered. There was time made for phone calls, emails, messaging, whatever I needed. So I couldn't be more pleased. I have already recommended people to work with Nexo, and it's based on everything I just shared with you. So again, to have legal and accounting under one umbrella, have a staff that speaks English, that is friendly, knowledgeable, and communicates well. I think communication is most important. You could understand how everything works here very well, but for the expat, for the foreigner, they don't know. And while you don't have a worry about, hey, everything's going smoothly, the client does, and when they don't receive communication or responses to their questions, they start to get worried and nervous, and did I make a mistake, or what's taking so long? So I think communication helps settle the client so they understand, because it's different from how they do business in their country.